Hi friends, this is a very special video. A lot of my friends who have pets have been asking about the kind of diet I feed my dogs. I've got three of them now, rescued and adopted ones. They're all local, the indie dogs. And even earlier, there were another three of mine, indies, which all lived up to a very ripe old age without any sicknesses or illnesses. So I don't really give them a heavy non-veg diet. So what I give them is a combination of rice. See, this is what I cook for them. Like I take a katori of a cup of rice. This is a simple raw rice, and then like a full cup of it. And now I add the moong dal. You can even add the moong with the peel on. This is around 3/4 of the cups I add to this, and this is nicely washed and it is cooked along with these vegetables. Now, what vegetables I have here are uh, two bundles of spinach, chopped, washed and chopped. I mean, they make two full cups. The same. I mean, again, these proportions won't really matter too much. You don't have to be very exact about it. So 2 cups of spinach, another big cup of grated carrots, and some these are these are sweet, finely chopped. A cup of sweet potatoes. Ideally, I would cook them with the skin on, but this time the skin was not very, didn't look very clean and healthy, so I had to peel them. If it is a very clean, nice, healthy skin, sweet potato with skins, you can add it along with the skin. So these are three ingredients that I have with me now. If you have pumpkins, the yellow ones, the Halloween ones, you can even add chopped pumpkins. Pumpkins and sweet potatoes, they're excellent for the dogs. So, probably for 2 3 weeks, you can give this spinach. Then you can skip the spinach, you can give it a break and add the rest of the ingredients. If you don't have all of them, you can add at least one of them. So, really doesn't matter, but ideally, I try to add all this to the dog food. So what I'll do is I mix it along with the washed rice and dal. So that is what I am going to do now. Yeah, so I washed the rice and dal and added these veggies also to it. You can see it here. See, ideally I would like to use I like to use red rice, which is the unpolished, the local red rice that is available in Goa. It is an excellent source of vitamins, the unpolished rice, but today I don't have it, so I use a normal rice, raw rice. So this is how it is. Now what I'm going to add is a big spoon of some turmeric, a big spoonful of turmeric, then a spoonful of black pepper powder, a good spoonful, and this will be some coconut oil. This is a wood pressed coconut oil I use it for myself, I use it for the dogs. So this will be actually 2 tablespoons full of coconut oil. So all the ingredients together, the black pepper, the turmeric, that gets cooked along with this fat, that is the coconut oil. It is a wonderful medicine for their joints. It is good. It prevents arthritis, especially dogs. Their hind legs are very vulnerable to these arthritis. So this actually takes care of all that to a great extent. So if you are able to do this right from the puppy stage, it really goes a long way to protect their joints and bones. the same combination of black pepper, turmeric, and when it is heated along with fat, the good fat is coconut oil, and it can even be consumed by humans for the arthritic conditions. So now this, you can I have filled it to the brim almost. You can use a bigger cooker. I don't have a very big cooker. I just cook it in this and keep it on a low flame, and it gets cooked. And this, uh, I keep it. I take whatever I want for the lunch, and I keep the rest refrigerated. It it's good to go for 3 days or 4 days for my dogs for lunch. And this food I mix with scrambled eggs and a bit of paneer. I take 2 scrambled eggs and some 100 grams of paneer, and I mix everything and take a portion of this food, just heat it and give it to them for the lunch, and they love it. And this is a regular diet almost every day, every single day for lunch. I mean, the veggies might vary a bit here and there. Otherwise, this is what I give my dogs for lunch. Eggs, I give them. I do not take eggs myself. I give them eggs. That's a concession for them. So this is the food I give my dogs, and they are extremely healthy. They have the softest of furs. Yeah, so I don't really think I want to give them any special non-veg food. Thank you, and do please share, um, comment, like, dislike, and subscribe to my channel. This is a little different video, different one from my usual garden videos. Thank you.